Hi everybody, welcome back to another drawing video. So today I'm going to be doing a rabbit, another animal one. So we're going to start with, find the middle of our page, and we're going to start with this ear that goes off into the corner here. So we're starting just here. It's about the middle point in your page. And then we're going to do a big line that comes right up to the top right hand corner. So we're going to go, and we can do a hairy line as usual with the animal drawings, or you could do just a normal straight line. So we're just going up, it kind of bends this way a little bit towards the corner. So we're starting right about the middle of our page. And this one then comes back down, so there's a point here, and then it gets wider as it comes down this way. And it can be hairy, squiggly. It's the best thing about drawing animals, you don't need to be too exact. Coming all down here. Just like that. And then we'll close it off here where it touches the rabbit's head. So we'll just add a zigzag line going diagonal down. Close off that box. And then in here we can do the inside of the ear. So we'll start up at the top corner and we'll do a line down this way. And then it gets sort of furry as we come down and gets wider as we go out. So zigzagging, hairy lines, all the way down to about there. And you can make this as hairy as you'd like, of course. And then we're going to do the opposite side. So there's just it's narrower on this side. So it's a narrow sort of edge. It comes up around here. So this would be the inner ear, and you could color it maybe a bit dark in where the shadow would be, if you wanted. Just going up this direction. And then maybe just a few more hairlines, texture if you wanted, just around the bottom. And maybe some going up this way. Many different ways of doing that, of course. Now we'll come over and we'll do the top of the rabbit's head. So we'll do a line just across here like this. The top of his head. The next ear then will start just here, come up from his head, and then it will go same sort of direction up to the next corner. And he could be hairy, bumpy, don't need to be too precious about it. And of course, rabbits' ears move, so don't worry too much if you don't get them going the same way or anything. This comes around like that, and then we're going to go down, adding little hairs as we go, all the way down our page to about there. And then we can add that line to close it off again, just to distinguish the head from the ears. And then we'll add the inner ear, so hairy coming up in here, just like we did on this side, and then spiky hairy lines all going up all in here. Go around, and then we'll go up and around. And then this will be narrow, and this will come all the way down. See that? You can make it hairy every now and then. And then in there can be dark, just to show some shadow if you'd like. And just another section here, just another line, kind of like this one here, just to show some hair, or maybe like a different color of the fur, probably white and brown, or any color you'd like, of course. Okay, so now we can go down and do the eyes. So we're going to we'll start with the right eye here. So we'll do a little eyelid first, just coming down from here. So it curves around like that. And this is going to come down and around. It forms like a letter C sort of shape. It's kind of hairy, coming down. And in here is the eye. So this is like a furry white section. Just like this. Comes around. And in there then we have the eyeball. So we'll draw just a line, real beady sort of eyes on the rabbit. They stick out a good bit, they protrude. Kind of like a little oval sort of turned that way. And then you have a pupil in there, and it's kind of it's not a perfect circle, it's another sort of thin kind of circle shape like that, and then that's dark inside. And then around that rabbit's eye, it's real dark, so you just thicken up around here for the top eyelid. See this? Make it sort of longer, and then you could add the same sort of thing on the bottom. So it comes just a bit longer, comes around, it's like a bottom eyelid. Comes up here, and then it's kind of dark inside there. So this comes back around, touches that eyelid, the top eyebrow I guess we could call it, and then we'll add some of those eyelashes coming off the eyelid, just coming out here. You could do more or less than me, it's up to you. So that is one eye. We'll come over and we'll do the same over here. Sorry if my voice sounds weird, I have a cold. So we start with this eyebrow again. So it's just that little curvy line that comes down in here. Kind of hairy, curving all around. Like that. Don't worry if they're not exactly the same or not the same size. That one's kind of bigger on my one, but in nature usually things are. They're not perfectly symmetrical. So then, in there again we have this shape for the eye. So it's like a long, it's not a perfect circle, it's kind of elongated. And then the pupils in there too. So same sort of thing like this. And then you color that in dark. Try and get them about the same size, I guess. And then we'll do that big thick line that's around. So you'll go make this thicker up here, all around, comes down underneath, and back up here this side as well, much thicker. Then we'll close that off there on that side, just like here. Close this one in here, and then we'll add the eyelashes on this side. Like so. Now, so our rabbit's face then is just going to come down all around here, and there'll be the nose and the mouth in here. So for the cheeks, so coming down from these, one, coming down here, same on the other side, coming down, and these are going to come around and come into just where the mouth is. And you can make it hairy, of course, coming down to about there. Same on this side. Don't worry if they're not exactly the same on both sides. All in there. And then these come across to the chin. So we have the chin that comes down a bit further, just across and up. And then we have that characteristic sort of rabbit mouth in there, kind of similar to a cat's mouth. So it starts with a line right there in the middle, and then these curve around, real dark there, and then I'll come up this direction and around up here and stop where the nose would start. And we do the same over this side. Coming around, curving around, and then up around here. Like that. And we can make this just a bit darker in here just to show a shadow for where the mouth is. And maybe you could add some hairlines and things. Now, so the rabbit's nose is a triangle shape, just in here. So we'll go up from here, bring it back in and up like that. It's like a number 7 kind of. And then this will curve down and up and back down to here. And of course in there is black usually. So dark. And you could leave a shine maybe on the top section, just about here. Now we'll do just the rest of the nose, so the sort of bumps and things that define the shape for the rabbit's nose. So these just come across in here, kind of hairy, coming up the center, hairlines coming up the middle just here. Various sort of textures. And then we have some just on the side of his face, just here, coming back down towards the mouth, just to show the shape for the nose, the way it goes up, the direction of the hair. You can add as much of this as you'd like. So we're always going back in this way, just to define a bit more of the nose. And then you could do some maybe coming around the eye again. Hairy lines. You don't need to do too much of this. But of course you could cover the whole thing in here if you were feeling adventurous. Maybe some just on the top of his nose, just here. And some just under here too, underneath the eye. And around the side of the mouth as well. So I'm just giving it a little bit of that texture, just a little bit. One down here too, coming down from this eye, comes back in towards the mouth, and maybe some coming and flicking off this way. Some up maybe towards the top of the head there, just to show that it's a bit round, like it has a brow. Some here. And then we have just some dots for a few whiskers, not really as many as a cat's or anything like that, but a few anyway. Those dots coming off here. And then we'll just add some shapes for shoulders, hair coming down this side also. Maybe some fur coming back in here. Maybe some coming down the body. Just making it hairy as you could stop, of course, right now. And then we'll add some whiskers. So you can draw these in. You could color them whatever color you'd like. Just a few. But there you go. That's the basic idea how to draw a rabbit. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.